So this is a recording of a live video for you.
For around 60 lakhs, जैसे मेरा thumbnail बोल रहा है, buy it in 60 lakhs today and sell it in crores tomorrow. So I am very close to Hennur Road. And this is the location. I'm live today. If someone wants to join with me, you're welcome. And exclusively, this property is not going to be uploaded later. It's only going to be in this live session. And if I got a lot of requirement of if people wants this to be uploaded later, I will do that. So right now I'm in a BDA layout. वो दिख रहा होगा आपको location there. So I'm not able to do it on landscape as well, and I can't see many people there. And guys, you know this landmark? What is there? So this is a road, 30 feet road, and that is the So that building is कहते हैं कि वहाँ पे HP आने वाला है, the company HP. So those two buildings are HP, and right in front is Sparsh Hospital, and that is Hennur Main Road, nearly 300 meters from here. So the property over here, I'm going to show you on this road. This is a corner property, but this is not for sale. The one which is for sale is here. From this part to this part is 30 and the depth is 40. So this is a 30-40 BDA plot. And this is the west facing. The price of this, I'm going to tell you in some time. मैं आपको एक 60 lakhs वाला plot दिखा देता हूँ. इसके बाद इसका price भी मैं आपको बताऊंगा. So 30-40 for sale. Hennur Main Road, that is HP. That's what people tell that is HP. And right in front is Sparsh Hospital, and that is the main road. 100 meters from here. $60 lakhs वाले plot के पास जाता हूँ, and I'm going to let me come live there. Guys, somehow this is not allowing me to get a horizontal frame. There's some issue with the frame, and let me go back. So guys, I've come to the second property, and over here, जैसे आपको दिख रहा है, that is the buildings which I mentioned that hopefully that would be a HP in future. So I'm in one of the layout. I'm very close to that earlier which I showed you, 30-40. So right now I'm in a 30 feet road, a BDA property. This Hennur Main Road over here, वहाँ पे आपको दिख रहा है. That is that part, that structure that you're looking at, that is Hennur Main Road, hardly 150 meters from here. And over here we have a property for 60 lakhs BDA property. As my thumbnail says, buy it in 60 lakhs BDA property and sell it in crores tomorrow. So the plot, आपको ये compound दिख रहा है, just starting from this compound, from this corner, this edge till here it is 20 and the depth is 30. So 20-30 BDA property for 60 lakhs. Facing, if you want to know the facing, please comment facing in the comments. So मैं आपको भेज दूंगा. जितने सारे facing करके comments आएंगे, I'll be able to see that if it is more than 300 comments, I will message you or comment back about the facing. So this is 2030 for 60 lakhs and that was 3040. शायद सब लोग बिजी हैं तो कोई मुझे स्क्रीन में नहीं दिख रहा. वैसे मैं इसको अपलोड कर दूंगा, आप लोग देख लेना. थंबनेल वैसे मैंने डाला हुआ है. इट्स क्वाइट कैची थंबनेल. क्लिक एंड लुक एट दी. ऑब्वियसली यू वुड हैव क्लिक्ड एंड कम हियर बाय नाउ. सो एंड दिस वन 2030 BDA property for 60 lakhs only. So guys, there are lots of houses are all around. You can see this is the landmark right in front of you. You can see this is Kumara Prospera right in front of right bang on the main road. This project, it's a high class project. This is A grade project on Hennur main road. These two properties, one was 3040 which was for 1 crore approximately 12,000 rupees per square feet, approximately 130 or 140, 1 crore 40 lakhs, and per square feet for that was 12,000 rupees per square feet, 3040. So that would come up around nearly 1 crore 40 lakhs or something. So 3040 जो था वो था 1 crore 40 lakhs and this was 60 lakhs. तो guys, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. मिलते हैं अगली नई वीडियो में. तब तक के लिए थैंक यू सो मच. Bye bye. Take care. Bye bye.